Okay, we have this ball. You have to come here. I try to do the best I am alone. So, yeah. You say it's coming. When you put it, yeah, it's fit. The problem is when you put it down, the seat. Let's see, it's not fit. Okay, but if you take this ball, you see this gap, so you can play, you can adjust the plate. You have to lose this ball. You have to lose this ball a little bit, so the whole thing, the whole plate can move. And then you put it back or put it front, whatever you need it, and make it fit the ball. And it's nice and easy. And then the both two balls in the front and the back, they are fit. For the seat belt go between the seat and the metal plate, and it's a hook with this ball, the same ball. So before we tie, I don't know, let me see if I can do it with one hand. Before we tie, we have to go in this right way and put it and make it, fit in here. Right there. Here we go. You see how they move this one? Because we adjusted to make it fit the ball and the hole. And then when the ball is whole, you can tie both. And the seat belt is right there too.